In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to print a list in Trello using a simple power-up that makes the whole process quick and professional. If you've ever needed a physical copy of your tasks, a shareable PDF for meetings, or just a cleaner overview of your board, this method is going to save you a lot of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello and go to your boards page. From here, click on the board that contains the list you want to print. Once your board is open, look toward the top right area of the screen where you'll see the Power-Ups option. Click on Power-Ups to open the Power-Ups menu. Inside the Power-Ups panel, click on Add Power-Ups. This will open the Power-Ups directory where you can search for additional features to enhance your board. In the search bar at the top, click into it and type in Pretty Print. As you type, you should see the Pretty Print power-up appear in the results. Go ahead and click on Pretty Print from the list. You'll now see an option to add it to your board. Click the Add button. Trello may ask you to confirm, so click Add again to enable the power-up on your board. Once it's successfully added, you can close the Power-Ups window by clicking the X in the corner. Now, if you don't immediately see the Pretty Print icon on your board, don't worry. Click on Power-Ups again, find Pretty Print in your enabled Power-Ups list, and make sure you select the option to show it on the board. Once it's visible, you'll see the Pretty Print icon available directly from your board interface. Next, click on the Pretty Print icon. This will open the printing interface where you can customize exactly what you want to include. You'll see a list of all your Trello lists displayed with checkboxes. Simply check the lists that you want to print. You can select one specific list or multiple lists depending on your needs. After selecting the lists you want, review the preview to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click on the Print button. This will open your browser's print dialog, where you can choose your printer or select Save as PDF if you prefer a digital copy. Adjust your print settings such as layout and margins if needed, then confirm the print. And that's it. You've successfully printed a list from Trello using the Pretty Print power-up. This is a great way to create clean, readable versions of your boards for meetings, planning sessions, or offline reference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello tutorials and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.